Today we're bringing some organization and style to our kitchen with this cute marble mug tree. I've never actually used one of these before, so let's unbox it and see what it looks like. Inside you'll find the marble base, the metal trunk, 4 hooks, and a bag containing the instructions, anti-slip grippers, and the installation tools. There's not too many parts to put together here, so the installation process was pretty easy and only took about 5 minutes. First, start with one of the 3 medium-sized trunk pieces. Place a hook on top facing upwards and twist on the short top piece. Grab your second medium-sized trunk piece, place a hook on top, and twist on the part you just finished. Repeat the same thing with the remaining trunk pieces and hook, and then you've got the body finished. And then stick on the bottom grippers. Next, use the nut, bolt, and Allen wrench to secure the marble base to the trunk, and after that, it's ready to be used. As you can see, my kitchen cabinet's almost completely full, so I definitely need some extra space. It does come with 4 hooks, but each one provides 8 spots to work with. So I grabbed 8 regular-sized mugs, placed each one on the hooks, and they all fit perfectly. I think it looks cool as well, and I can have all my favorite ones out on display. I was a little worried about the mugs being too heavy at first, but the base and the hooks are much sturdier than I thought, and it's not very wobbly at all. This also makes it easier to grab your favorite one within reach when you're in a hurry, so no more having to search for the perfect one. And if you want to think outside the box, you could even use it to organize things like bracelets, watches, keychains, or even sunglasses. There's just so many ways to use this, and I think it's super helpful all the way around. But if I have to name one con, I'd say the only downside is that it might be a little heavy for some people. I think the heaviness contributes to the sturdiness though, so it's not entirely a bad thing. Overall, I love that sleek marble design and the fact that you can use it for multiple purposes. Now I have the option to have plenty of extra space in my cabinets, to show off my favorite mugs, or a convenient spot to store some accessories. So if that's what you're looking for, this marble mug holder might have you saying, "Dude, that's awesome." Till next time, I'll be enjoying the new addition to my kitchen. Later.